Hi guys, today I'll be showing you one of the most practical and needed PDF editor and converter apps for Mac, Windows, iOS and Android devices called UPDF right here. This is the look of the app. Since my last video related to UPDF, this app has been packed with some new and improved features. Let me walk you through the cool features of this app, which also include the newly updated and improved features. Let's just click on desktop because my files are stored on desktop. Right, let's select one file here, click open. So this is a PDF file and these are the features that this app provides. You could call these features magic because it does the job that most PDF editor cannot do. We'll start with the most basic one, which is called comment. Click on it, and at the top you can see that there are a number of tools that you can use. For example, sticky note. The next one is highlight. Of course, you can highlight the text here just like a normal Word document. So select and it will highlight it for you. Then you can also strike through it just like a normal text. You can also underline like so, or select the text where you think there's a mistake there, example like that. And then you also can add text box. You type something you want there, and the text box, of course, you can move it around, which means you can even replace this title here, Test It 101. You can increase the font size, you can change the color of the text, you can even add background to it, like so. And you can also add shape to it. You want to put round shape somewhere here, example. You can even add sticker or stamp or even your signature. And so you want to sign down here, click on create signature, create, put it here, make it smaller like so. You can also replace this image here with the new image that you have. So that one is when you move on to the new feature, which is the one that says edit PDF. You can see there are three options at the top: text, image, or link. If you want to replace this image, you click on image. You select the area where you want to replace with a new image. And then it will allow you to find your new image on your computer. Let's say I select this one, I click open. Now the new image has replaced the old one, which is really cool. And again, remember, this is still PDF file, not Microsoft Word document. We added it just like Microsoft Word document, which is really cool. You can also add text to it. Let's say you want to add new text right here. Let's say introduction. You can also change the color of the text if you want to, and you can also put it in bold. And you can also edit the text inside this PDF file. You think this text is not right, you want to erase it, of course you can do so. Now it's gone. Or you can just edit some part of it. For example, let's say this part you want to change it to like, this is a test. So as you can see here, you can edit the text easily. You can remove the text from your PDF file. You can edit the text. You can add more text to it. You can also replace the old image with the new image. You can even add link to it. Let's say this one should have a link. So whenever they click on this, it will pop up a new link. Let's say www.google.com. Which means if I save it and then I go to reader, and you can see here, the other text does not allow me to click, but when I move to this word here, it will change to a finger to click. And you can see that it shows me www.google.com. You click on it, it shows me that the document is trying to go to this site. If you click open, of course it will go to the site. So it's really cool. I mean, this is a PDF file, but you can also add an embedded link to the PDF text so that you can go to the website that you want the reader to go to. It's just like when you have some text and you want them to get more information from that text, you just provide the link, embedded link on that text, and they click on it, they will get more information. It's awesome. So the next feature is called Organize Pages. Click on it and you will see that these are the pages that you can organize. How do you organize it? There are many ways. For example, let's say you want to delete a page that you do not want the reader or the next person to see. You can just click on that page, click on the delete button here, or just click on the delete key on your keyboard. It will also delete, like so. You can delete multiple pages or just one single page. It's up to you. You can select it like that and then click on delete button. It's gone. You can also insert your customized PDF page or pages into this PDF file. So you just click insert here. There are two options. You can insert blank or from file. Blank, which means, of course, take a look at it here. It's just blank, nothing. But if you want to insert files, which means other PDF that consists of your text that you want to include or add to this PDF, you click on from file here. Select this one, let's say, and then click open. See, it adds two more pages to it. And also this is also PDF file. Again, you can also move it around if you want to. Let's say you don't want it to be here, you want it to move here, so you just drag and drop it there. Or you can just keep moving if you don't want it to be on this section. You want it to move to, like, let's say it should be page 2 here. So you just keep going up like that, and page 2. If you take a look at the reader, you can see this is page 1. Now this is page 2. How cool is that? And they also have the option for you to replace this one single page. Let's say if I want to replace this with a new PDF page, I click on this, click on replace. It allows me to go to another PDF file which contains the page that I want to replace this page with. I click on it. Let's say I want this one here. Click open. See? Now it replaced that with the new page I want it to be. If I click on reader to view it, page 1, page 2, page 3. Now it has my new page. And also you can extract any of these pages that you want. This PDF file consists of 25 pages, but I only want to share one page among these 25 pages with my client or my student or something. Let's say I want to share this page here with my client. So I click on it and click on it for the extract. And then the destination, I just leave it to desktop and I just name it sharing example. And I click on extract. And now it just extracts one page from my 25 pages here and create it as a new PDF file. So if you try to open this, drag and drop on it, you can see it's only one page. What else you can do? You can also split it. So what you do with split is that if you click on it, you can see it says split by numbers of pages. So you can see that we have 25 pages. If you want to split this into 5 equal pages, you click on number 5, which means one file that it is going to create will consist of 5 pages. So if we click on split, let's just create a new folder here. Let's just put tested, create, click open, and done. And now it has 5 pages per file. It even tells you at the end of the file saying page 1 to page 5, 6 to 10, and so on. You can also rotate each of these pages here. Let's say this page I want to rotate it counterclockwise. Click on it, see it rotate and rotate. If you view this, you can see now it's in an upside down position. If you go back to it, if you want to rotate it back, you can rotate it clockwise or keep rotating counterclockwise until you get the desired rotation position that you want. Then you just leave it there. Next is crop pages. If you click on it, it allows you to select the page that you want to crop. Let's say this page here I want to crop to make it shorter. So I just drag here like that. And I also want to remove this chart as well. Then once I'm done, I click on crop. And now the heading is gone, the chart below is gone. That's how you crop it. The next tool is page tools. There are 3 things you can do. You can add watermark to it, you can add background, or put header or footer to it. Let's say this page, I want to add header and footer to it. I click on header footer, click on add, and you can choose the layout first, whether you want it to pop up on the left, in the middle, or on the right side. You can also select at the bottom here for footer. I want to add header and I want to put it in the middle. I want to insert page number, say page 1, like so. You see it pop up page 1, but this is not page 1, this is page 6. You see number 6 here. So which means all the pages will now have the header saying page number. I can also change the font. I can even change color. I can also insert date to it, like so. So it has page number and date. Once you're done, you click save, click apply. And if you want to add footer to it, click on page tools again, click on header footer, click on add, And now instead of adding what's at the top, I add what's at the bottom. So let's say I use my customized text. The color is green. I just type in UPDF, and you can see it down here, pop up UPDF, click save, apply, and now you can see it also have UPDF as the footer. You can also add watermark to it, and I select image. I have my image here. You can open, and you have the ratio of watermark. You want it to be big or small, let's just make it small. And then opacity, if you leave it like that, you will not see the text. You want it to use it as like a background, so I change the opacity to 12, so which means you still can see the text, but my watermark as the background here. When I'm done, I click save, apply. So you can see that all my text now have watermark. You can also add the background, but if you already have watermark, I don't think background would be necessary. As you can see that this app is really cool. They also have another cool feature called OCR feature. So what is OCR? OCR is optical character recognition. With UPDF, it recognizes the text in scanned PDFs by using AI power or artificial intelligence powered OCR to scan the PDF files, allowing you to be able to edit it. So how do you install OCR feature into your UPDF file? So to install OCR feature, you just click on UPDF app, click here and click on preferences, and then you go to plugin. Unfortunately, my Mac does not support this feature because my Mac runs Intel chip. This OCR feature only supports Mac computers with M1 or M2 chip. So if you have M1, M2 chip, this feature will be enabled for you. And you just install two of them. One is UPDF converter, and the other one will be optical character recognition, just like in this image. So you have to install both. Once you're done installing, you can add the scan PDF into the app, and it will show you these options: document type, searchable PDF, or image only PDF. So searchable PDF allows you to edit it, but the image only PDF you cannot edit. And based on UPDF, it claims that it would be able to get up to 99% correct accuracy with high speed, so which means it will scan fast and are able to capture most of the text in the scanned PDF. Also with OCR feature, it supports up to 38 languages. So these are the languages that it supports. It supports English, Chinese, Polish, Spanish, Korean, and so on. So up to 38 languages, which means any scanned PDF in any of these languages, it will be able to recognize. So with this UPDF app, it's just like a powerful or magic tool for you to deal with the problem of your PDF file effectively. If you're interested in this app, currently they have the Black Friday promotion, which is up to 40%. All the links are in the description. You can also test it first by clicking on free download here. If you're using Mac, you can select Mac with Apple chip, which means M1, or Mac with Intel chip. Usually with the free version, it provides only limited feature. If you want full feature, you have to upgrade it to a pro version. And you can see here, so they have two options for you as well. You can also pay for the annual plan, and the annual plan you will get another extra 6 months for free for this price, $29.99. Or you can get the perpetual plan or permanent plan, which means you only buy it once and you use it forever. So this plan costs $41.99, which might be a good deal for you. Again, this is the 40% discount already. The original price would be $69.99. With 40% discount, it's now $41.99. If you find this app useful or beneficial for your work, I think you should get it as soon as possible, because the Black Friday deal will end on the 30th of November, which is about 2 weeks from now. Okay, that's it guys. This is UPDF app, the PDF magic tool for Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android devices. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.